Seo Machinery Company Limited shares the beginning and ending of a car. We have grown starting with hydraulic bottle jack, producing Up and Up Operation Division, and is now joining business with Auto R Business, which is a car disassembling recycling business. No car is completely consumed. As much as 95% weight of the car is reused, recycled, and remanufactured to regain its value within Seo Machinery System. Reused products that can be used as it is in current state are various external vehicle parts like lamps, side mirror, bonnet, fender, bumper, etc., and indoor components. Recycled products are parts that are collected, crushed, and used as raw materials like metal, scraps, aluminum, copper, plastic, rubber, glass, sheet, etc. Remanufacturing is supplementing a functional component to restore its original function, which has to pass a strict examination standard. It has more than 80% of function compared to a new product and cost lower than 40%, becoming a core competency of automobile recycling business's professionalism. Here is a scrap car that has arrived in Seo Machinery's Auto R Operation Division. In the process of car inspection, reusable components are separated, goes through the cleaning process, stored and entered into the data. And then, remaining various oil, liquids, and gases are collected. Also, airbags and batteries are disassembled for safety, tires are removed, and then it is entered into disassembling place. Internal and external components are disassembled and separated, and engine room is dismantled. A car that has gone through functional component separation now goes through sheathed wire and various component separation work. Finally, through compression operation utilizing compression machine, all steps are completed. Along with this, Up and Up Business, becoming a basis of Seo Machinery, produces hydraulic jack that uses Pascal's principle to lift heavy objects using small force. Base, cylinder, oil tank, pump cylinder is united and CO2 welded. Subcomponents are assembled in assembling line and oil is introduced. And then it is transferred to painting line after automatic load test. After degreasing and cleansing process, electric belt painting is implemented and products that has passed drying oven is delivered to the customer after final product check. Product Quality Department implements randomized sampling and performs various examinations in laboratory. Also, along with Korean factory, Chinese produces on the field to supply Korean, Japanese, Chinese car company. Hydraulic jack is produced and developed not only in automobile field, but also in railway, industrial setting, and etc. for various purposes. Seo-ryung Machinery Company Limited, sharing the beginning and ending of a car. Seo-ryung Machinery that thinks of environment protection through eco-friendly recycling business. Seo-ryung's machinery technology is producing a new value. Seo-ryung Machinery Company Limited.